Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get leads from using your website and your lead form at the same time. Also, I'm going to show you how you can instantly follow up with those leads pretty quickly in this video. But as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get leads on both your website and the instant form. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can conversate, like have conversations immediately with those leads. So this is how you do it. This is how you do it. All you got to do, you got to go to create right here. And then you want to go to leads. Then once you go to leads, you want to select continue. And then you're going to be shown these options right here. Now, I usually choose campaign budget or usually, but you can choose ad set budget, whichever works for you, right? Because again, it all depends on the ad account and what works in the ad account. So here's my daily budget. So let's do 1,000 a day just for jokes. Then if we scroll down and then we want to select next right here. Now, once you select next, you're going to be shown this option because before it was website and calls, instant forms. Now you could do website and instant forms, generate leads through both your website and instant form. So you can actually do it through both ways because what some people will do is that sometimes they may not want to leave Facebook or leave Instagram. They just want to just fill it in and they're good to go. But then some people may want to just click on your ad and then leave. They don't mind leaving Facebook or Instagram to actually go onto your website. But this is perfect for those that prefer either one, right? So you want to select this option right here. And here you want to scroll down and then you want to obviously choose your performance goal, which is maximum number of conversions. Then you want to scroll down even more and make sure that you choose lead right here. So once you scroll down some more, right here, you can put in your audience, you can put in the age, the country that you're trying to target, etc., etc. That's very, very important. Guys, another thing as well is that if you're selling an expensive product, so say you are selling a service where you're cleaning people's pools, by targeting people who are 18-year-olds, right? They're not usually going to have the money to be able to afford your services. So you want to make sure that you're targeting people from 25 and upwards because they have more disposable income, right? So once you've done that and you've chosen your targeting and all that good stuff, all you got to do is scroll down and click next right here. Now we are at the ad level. So all you have to do is scroll down some more, and then you can create your form here. So you can create a form and obviously you want to put your website in. So you've got two places, your website in here, you can create the form. Now, once you've created the form, and I have many videos on my channel that shows you how to create a lead form. But once you've done that, you just basically scroll down and then you want to follow up with the leads. The thing about lead generation, it's all about the follow-up. It's all about the follow-up because you want to make sure that you've got leads that are hot, that are interested. Because if you don't act quickly, right, the lead is going to lose interest. They're going to be like, you know what, nah, I'll do it next month or I'll do it in 4 months' time. You always want to be following up the lead very quickly. But the issue a lot of people had is that people will get the lead, then it'll go into their CRM system, and sometimes if there's a backlog, sometimes they're not able to get in contact with the lead quick enough. This enables you to get in contact with the lead quick enough. So right here, it says follow up with leads right here. And then you want to tick this. And it says chat with leads from instant form. After a lead submits your instant form and agrees to receive message from your business, a chat that includes their contact information will start on Messenger or Instagram. So you can actually chat to the lead either through Messenger or through Instagram. It's such an amazing tool. This is amazing because now we're getting the client or getting the lead to go to the website, to go to our instant form, and whichever they do, we're able to follow up and actually have conversations with them so they're more likely to convert and buy our service, our products, or whatever that we are selling. Okay. So this is how you do this, especially for those of you who have businesses where it requires you to do a lot of lead generation. So as usual, if you need any further help with your ads, you need someone to help you run your ads, run your Facebook ads, your Instagram ads, click the link in the description and I'll be more than happy to get on a strategy call with you to help you even more. Also, I'll be back with another video to help you with your marketing and your business. Take care, guys.